Hello, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
BMW.
You have not subscribed to this service. To use it, you first have to activate the service in the Mercedes Me app.
So I like the way Mercedes do their loaners. They tend to give you something nice and decent and modern. So you kind of forget your car and you get motivated to probably buy a new one. Mercedes, is that it?
How can I?
Okay, guys, so we are here at Mercedes and we're looking for a. Guys, I don't think this is it. Found it, guys. Like this. As I was saying, two cup holders. The center console right here. USB-C charging port. Push button start. C300. And we're looking for a C300 2023. All right, where could it be? So guys, I'm gonna tell you the reason why we're here today.
You know why I pulled you over?
Because I was speeding?
No, 'cause you're black.
In a second. And guys, I don't think this is it. Found it, guys. Found it. So this is a C300 4MATIC. This is the loaner. Beautiful, beautiful. Like these new ones, guys.
And that's why Fastmark created a brand new Bible study called Thinking
This is
Your
all
Life.
touch.
It's a groundbreaking experience that will challenge, inspire, and guide you to understanding of your purpose and faith.
Stop start feature. And this is essentially a large iPad in here. Check it out, guys. Nice. Also, we have mood lighting going on around here. Nice. This one, it's all about the soft touch, guys. Like I said, right here for the roof and for the sunshade, you just swipe. Yeah, look like we got turbo and hold on, is this a hybrid? So guys, if you made it this far, I know you're asking what's the purpose of this video, but essentially my 2011 Mercedes E350 wagon, we found rust on the rear subframe, and through some investigation I found out that in 2003 Mercedes extended the warranty for the rear subframe of certain models, increasing the warranty from 4 years, 50,000 miles to 20 years, unlimited miles. So there's various SLK class, CLS class, SL class, C class, CLK class, and E class models that were included in this recall. So if you have that problem with the rear subframe rusting out, you don't have to pay for it. And if you have already paid for it, you can contact Mercedes to obtain a refund. If you haven't done that service yet, call your local Mercedes dealership, give them your VIN number, and see whether or not your vehicle is part of that recall. So guys, that's the purpose of this video. I dropped my car off. They gave me a loaner for free. And while they were looking at the rear subframe, they also realized that the brake lines were also rusted. So
I have no knowledge of any of this. This is so
all in all,
bizarre.
guys, if you have one of these models, you can Google it. Google your model, VIN number, and see whether or not your vehicle is part of this recall. And that repair will be free for you, especially if you're in the Salt Belt areas. All right, guys. So thank you. One key out.